What's up, crypto miners? This is a video, basically a tutorial on how to mine Shiba coin, right? So, what you would do is you would get a CPU, basically random X, which is Monero, and then you would use your CPU to hash, or a GPU to hash, and then you'll change that algorithm into Shiba, yeah? So, for example, Monero is not supported on places like Coinbase, so you can't send Monero to Coinbase as it's a private coin. It's not supported by them. It supports money laundering and all that stuff. Yeah, so regulations are going to try and stop you from doing that kind of stuff, right? So basically, if you wanted to mine Shiba, you'd have to mine Monero and then swap it into Shiba and then send Shiba to a wallet or an exchange or wherever you want to put your specific Shiba in a wallet, right? So you can use unmineable, right? So you go to unmineable. I'm getting 907 hash right now. This is on a Ryzen 5600X CPU. I can't run it full speed. It will get about 5,000 hashes at full power, but because I'm mining Ethereum with the same rig on a 3070 or 3070 rig, that's why it slows the miner down if I run it the full threads. So I'll go into that about the threads and that. You can turn the threads down in the download, and you can turn the custom option. Right, so I do have a referral code. If you want to use my referral code, then I will get it. It will lower your mining fee. So it will benefit me, and it will also benefit you, because I'll get a small, out of that 0.25% that you're saving from using my referral code, I get a little bit of that, but also drops your mining fee, so then you pay less mining fees. Right, from the people that are actually running the network, who always got the network open, right? So, if you use my referral code, I'll be more than pleased and happy about that, right? Obviously, if you find my video useful. So, you go to workers, shows you what your worker is, right? You can do ETC hash, Ether hash, where you can use a GPU and then mine Ethereum. And use PayPal, and you can go to payment. So, these are the payments that I received from Shiba, right? Or from unmineable. Now, I kept all of this Shiba that I mined. I probably mined it when it was around value at like £34. I think this amount of Shiba came to, or something like that. So basically now it's like, I don't know, 100 and something. So I made a gain. I didn't expect it to go up like that. I just mined it pretty much for a joke, because it's a meme coin. It's a meme coin, but then again, people say it's a meme coin, but it actually has an exchange, has NFTs, on Shiba Swap. So, it's a decent coin. It's better than Doge, in my opinion, yeah? Because the Doge developer who is on Doge is not even there no more, So, it just explains that they abandoned the project. So, therefore, this has got people working on the project. This is why I believe it's better, right? So, stats. So, in the last 24 hours, I've mined 1807 Shiba, right, which was about 4,000 per day. Obviously has dropped down, right? So past 7 days, if we get a calculator up, yeah, and say 21.8, what was it, 21,869 divided by 7, so that would be, I was making about 3,000 Shiba a day. So it has come down a little bit, but that's because the prices of the coins gone up. So you do realise that your mining reward goes down when the prices go up, right? So obviously I'm using a referral code, so my mining fee is 75. Payment threshold. So my payment threshold is really high, but it's not. It's around 60. I think your first one's around 60,000 or something like that. So I'm on 213,000 right now. So my payout's like 2 million. So I'm not bothered. I'm just keeping it there mining. So I'm just extra money that's like in another place, right? So to download this, what you do is you click this and then you go to save link as. This can be a bit of a dodgy program where your virus software will keep deleting it if you don't go onto Windows Defender and exempt the folder. If you exempt the folder, then it will stop doing it. But trust me, sometimes your browser will block you from downloading it as well, which can be a problem. So once you've downloaded it, you'll get like a program like this. And what you can do is, that's my referral code that's actually on the enter your address, right? So, you know, if you want to use my referral code, I'll leave it in the box below, right, or in the comments. And then you can select your token. So you can select other tokens. You can like mine Solana and stuff. But if you're not using a lot of hash power and stuff, I would advise like just mining Ethereum and then send that to an exchange and then just swap it basically. Like, you know, that would be an easier way to do it. So you can select CPU or graphics card. You hit next. Obviously, I'm not mining on this specific computer because this CPU is inefficient. It says update miner file location. Then you select. So the coin we want is Shiba. Yeah, you click this and then you put your address. So enter your address means like your actual receiving wallet address. Yeah, I just put my referral code in there as like, you know, just for a laugh basically. Yeah. So you know, enter your address. So you put your address from the exchange, the wallet, or whatever you're using for Shiba, yeah? And then you type your address in there, and then you click mine, right? Start. So then you will have three options when you open the miner. In the settings, you can have low power, high power, or custom. So if you're using your computer to mine other things, then you want to select, you know, a custom and then enter a custom thread where it don't make your miner slow down, you know, because otherwise if your miner don't run properly, because your CPU is busy doing other things and not actually running it, you know, it will slow down your miner. So because I'm mining Ethereum on the same PC as mining with the CPU, it makes it easier for me to turn the threads down. The threads down and the priority of the CPU. Therefore, the miner runs perfectly, and then we're getting side mining. So whatever we mine from side mining with the CPU is better than nothing. So I'm making a gain without using it, basically. Well, I'm paying the CPU off because obviously I had to buy the CPU, right? So there was a cost of equipment. So basically, to get that out of the way, and this is how basically you mine SHIB. If you found this video useful, you know, smash the like button and mine SHIB coin, you know, mine whatever you can, right? Why? Before the price maybe go even higher. We don't know what will happen. Nobody knows what goes off, but I reckon it will increase just because of the NFTs that are supported on the network, right? So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.